सो यू हैव स्टार्टेड लर्निंग रिएक्ट, कंपोनेंट्स भी समझ में आ गए, बट एक पॉइंट पे सबको कंफ्यूजन होता है कि मल्टीपल पेजेस कैसे हैंडल करें, मतलब विदाउट रिलोड लाइक अ मॉडर्न एप्लीकेशन. दैट्स एग्जैक्टली वेयर रिएक्ट राउटर डोम्स कम्स इन. एंड ऑनेस्टली अगर आपको राउटिंग समझ आ गई सो यू आर ऑलरेडी अहेड मोस्ट ऑफ द बिगनर्स. एंड अगर आप बिगनर हो एंड ये पहली बार कॉन्सेप्ट देख रहे हो, देन ट्रस्ट मी, आज आप कुछ ऐसा सीखने वाले हो जो बहुत लोग मिस कर देते हैं. And in this video I'll make sure that this is the only React Router DOM tutorial you will ever need. So hey guys, I am Saurabh and in this video we are going to learn React Router DOM, and we are not wasting time on boring explanations. We will build everything from scratch so actually understand what's happening. By the end of this video you will learn how to create and manage multiple pages in React, how navigation works behind the scenes, and how to structure routing like real world programming of production applications, and how to avoid common beginners mistake. So without wasting any further time, let's go to our screen.
So as you can see, this is our screen, and we just created this project from the scratch. What link we get, so you can see in the src, this is what we got in the basic project. As you know, if we create a project we will get this pre-written. So let me run it quickly for you. So npm run dev, and you can see the link. It's template basically. I just close this, close, and in the website. Okay, so this is what the basic template we got. So I think let's update this, but first do what, let's install the react router dom library also. So what we have to do is npm I react router dom slash. Okay, so you have to install this library in order to work with react router dom. This is a step one basically to install the library. Within this library only we are going to work. So install this, and after writing this, hit enter. After you install the, I have already installed it, that's why I am not installing it again. So you can get this package in your package.json. You can check in the dependencies that it is installed or not. Okay, so then you confirm that it is installed if it is a package.json. So after installing the library, we are going to make the pages, and I will let you know how this all thing works. So let's create a new folder, name is screens. So in the screens we are going to put all our screens like home and whatever screens we are going to be all we are getting in is the screen section. So this is the home screen we have created, and write anything in this, like I just write home, nothing else. You can wrap this also in something, you can write anything. I am just making a demo pages. So our core functionality of this video is to make the routing system knows the how routing works. So I am just creating basic things that you will know that how routing is working. So I just created 2 3 pages, so then we can navigate and route it on them. So again, I am just creating basic projects, basic pages. Okay, so these 3 pages we have created here. Now after creating, we are also have to, so and this extension, you know, rfc, this is the extension. You can download it also, then only it will work. It will not by default, it is the extension. Okay, so we just remove this code, and I just remove this whole, I think it remove the whole code. So create it from scratch. So I just remove the unwanted things from the page, and then in the return let's start rendering all the pages. So let's start doing it. So as we, you know, on the screen section we just created screens, and you can see in the website now it is showing error. because we just removed all the code, so it rendered nothing. App.js is the main entry point for the websites, as you know. So in the app.js nothing is there, it will be issue, or everything is rendered through this page only. So app.js is the entry point for all the screens. So whatever we are going to do, we are going to write in the app.js only. So after installing the React Router DOM library, React Router DOM library provides us many things like browser router. First thing we have to import is browser router. This is the thing we get from React Router DOM only. Okay, so first write browser router here. So it will work like a wrapper so to all our pages. So as you know, app.js is a entry point. So defining it here. So and this then after a browser router we have to create a routes. Okay, these routes also provided by React Router DOM library only, and inside the routes we are going to define our pages. So this route route also provided by React Router DOM only. So please remember, re- first we have to write browser router, then we have to write routes, then we have to write route, and then inside route we are going to define these pages. So what are our steps till now is that we have downloaded the library, and then in the app section removed all the code and written this browser router, then routes, then route. Okay, as you like this only you have to write. So basically it done what, it wraps all your website throughout so you have to write this like this only. Okay, so in the route section we have to define our pages and the link. Okay, so browser router, as you know, provided by React Router DOM, routes also provided by React Router DOM, and route also. So in the route we have to define our pages what we have created earlier, like this about, home, and profile. So route takes two parameters. First is path and another is component. So in the path is basically whatever you will write here is going to be your link. So I am writing it slash first because if slash is there, it means whenever your website will load, this page will open. Like give me some page also. So component is I think let's give it home, because home is the main page, as you know, right? So home, let me give you home for the path. Okay, so it basically, whenever your website will load, slash defines as whenever our page will load, the first page we open is home. Okay, so slash defines as the first page, only slash means first page. Okay, and then component home, and please remember that home you import inside from screens only, because if import is wrong then this will be the issue. Then so path our defined, slash means home. If a website loads, first page will be home. Then after that give the path, whatever it will be, anything whatever you like. So I will like write the about only. So component will be about, and about should be imported from the screen only. Okay, so as you can see, I have written slash about, and the same slash about for the profile section I will write profile. Okay, and I will import the component here, profile. So what happened here is slash is for the home, the whenever the website will load, it will see the home page, and if the link turns from about, so about page, and if page from profile, so profile page. Okay, so see, so this is our project. As you know, we have removed all the things. Now if nothing is there, home page will render, because in the slash section we have defined home. So if nothing is there, home will be shown. So for the slash means the first page. If I put the about, see, the about page opened. So if I write here profile, so profile page will open, as you can see. And this is the only code we had done in all the pages. We just written text only, so as you know. So if you write anything else rather than that, it will show nothing. This will also this we are also going to see that what happens that. Okay, so if, as you can see, whatever you had defined there, slash and whatever, is going to open this particular file. So this route depends on what you are going to render in it. Paths slash means whenever you open the website, homepage will render. Slash about means whenever you open the slash thing, about page will render, and same for the rest. Profile, if you write profile, will be open, and the rest all the same. So please make sure for the paths. So please use slash in every, if you are practicing also, please use slash, because if slash is not there, you have to change the link. And you, as you can see, we have changed the link statically, like we typed the link and then we opened that pages, that pages will be reloaded. Okay, so as you can see, so in the home section, home page, so that is statically we are changing, but we will change it dynamically. So change it, if we need to change it dynamically, we have to use link. So from one, if I have to go from one page to another, we use link. So this is also provided by React Router DOM only. So in this, what happened is, link we can use, and in this also it takes some parameters, and it will ask us to where you want to navigate. Like from the home, if I want to go to the about page or profile page, then I have to use link. So it will take it will take some parameters, like link takes 2, and inside 2 we have to define our routes. Whatever route you have defined in app.jsx, you should use same routes only. If rather than this, if you write anything there, nothing is going to be rendered. So make sure whatever path you have written here, that only path you have to write inside the link. Like if about 1, about 2, and about whatever you write, then that will be the issue. Okay, so this is the link I have rendered. Okay, and it will home. So now the if so now if I click on the home text, it will take me to the about section, and the links will be going to change dynamically. Okay, before we have done that statically, right? Now see, it will do it, it will be rendered dynamically. So first of all, reload our page. So our first page will be home now, so slash, okay, hit the enter, it will be our home. So if I click on the home, see the link here, about page directly opened. What happened is, routes changes dynamically. This is what we have to learn in this React Router DOM. This is how, without reloading, our page updates. Okay, so if you have to navigate from one page to another, you use link. Many things you can use. I am just telling you what are the functions and what are the inbuilt things React Router DOM provides, so you can use it in your that use it nicely, or so that is the only thing I am just telling you in this. You can create the pages, you can design home page, about page, profile page, you can design all the pages as you want. I just focusing on the concept, that how to use this. So first of all, please remember browser router, then routes, and then inside it route. This is the flow we are going to do, and in route taking two things, path and components. And uh, as you can see, screens, we have the same component as we have created the screens. Okay, if that is also not there in the component section, if you write something else, then also there will be. So please make sure this all the pages are created, and then only we go we use that. I can change the, if I change here the link or anything, that will be also done. So that's it for this session, and if you really like the video and want to support, please like, subscribe and share. And like this only I will create many videos for you, so please make sure to like, subscribe and share. Thank you, bye bye.